Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. Got this beautiful Model Y in for full front PPF. We're going to be doing the hood, fenders, headlights, bumpers, mirror caps. So that's what we got in the shop today. Right now I'm just getting everything prepped, cleaning all the edges to make sure everything sticks correctly, everything bonds correctly, and install goes nice and smoothly. So that's what we have in the shop today, is this Tesla Model Y and for full front PPF.
And that completes the Tesla Model Y front end PPF. Got a very seamless install with max coverage. This is the best way to protect your new Teslas from rock chips and scratches. The film is 8 mils thick, so it does self-heal as well. And it does have a nice gloss to it, very easy to clean. If you're worried about rock chips, this is the best solution for you and your vehicle. We do have extended coverage options available as well.